Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hefni Mayangsari, NPM 20020100071. Firstly, I would like to say thank you very much for the opportunity has given by our lecturer in extensive reading subject Bapak Fitra Ramadhani to me to do the 5 assignment. In this week, I read an article about Jane Eyre. I have downloaded the article on ebook. This is my article, the cover and the content. And before I make the video, I have write my text. This is my text, or usually we call as reading log. Okay, I will start from the title about the article. The title is Jane Eyre Searching for Belonging. Number of pages are 7 pages. The author is Galal Suliman and date on May 3, 2021. Review of the article. The article was not fun. The book or article was easy to understand and the vocabulary was difficult to understand because it contained the vocabulary that I have not seen before. Okay, what grade do you give to the article? I will give 7 from 10 and I would not like to read it anymore. In my opinion, this article was very inspiring me. From Jane Eyre, we can learn how to rise from the bad state to become a mature, strong, careful woman, secure in her belief in herself. And the reading sentence is Charlotte Bronte is a conventional writer. If she really depends the Victorian woman, it will be better for her not to attack Bertha, but to sympathize with her circumstance. It can be concluded that she treats Bertha as an outsider, not as a human being, but an animal that must be got off. Ironically, for a woman who believes in her likes for her love, respect, identify, belonging, and autonomy, Jane has no trouble reducing another woman's self to the hands of the very society Jane wishes to escape from. Though Jane is usually vocal about unjust treatment, she approves Sir Rochester's summary and callous treatment of his wife, and she is manifestly enthusiastic about the exploitation of colonized peoples. Jane Eyre has become self-sufficient from her own values and morals by her life's lessons, and matured into her vanishing role as the wife of Mr. Rochester. She has grown strong and secure in herself, and it is very unlikely that she will never lose this. Her knowledge and her morals and values can never be taken from her. Her money and thus her self-sufficiency and some of her self-reliance may disappear, but she cannot lose her skills as a governess, and those will always have some means of finding employment or establishing for self-sufficiency. Her belief in her equality to others cannot be taken from her, because it is an inherent part of her knowledge and values. Overall, she has grown from an impassioned, undisciplined, and hasty child into a mature, strong, careful woman, secure in her belief in herself. Okay, the next is vocabulary that I have in this article. There are oppressors means penindas, enterprise means perusahaan, insist means bersikeras, degrading means merendahkan, swelled means bengkak, threaten means mengancam, haughtiness means keangkuhan, portrayed means digambarkan, outburst means ledakan, and inheritance means warisan. Okay, I think that's all the reading log from my article. I would like to say thank you very much for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.